In this video, I'll show you how to publish Google AI Studio app to Play Store. First of all, you need to open Google AI Studio and log into your account. Then click on My Apps and choose the app you want to publish on Play Store. For example, I have got this quiz app right here. When you open your app, you need to click the Publish button in the top right and you need to copy the URL from here. Then go to this website, which is called median.co, and write your URL right here. Then click Build Your App. You need to write your app name and also you need to write your email address. Then click Start Building My App. You need to wait a few seconds until this green line goes to the end. After that, scroll a little bit down and click on Download button right here. And to upload the app on Google Play Store, we need to use the AAB file. So you need to click Build across Android AAB. You need to wait again. And then click on Download and download AAB file into your device. Then you need to open developer.android.com. You need to create an account and you need to pay $25 as a one-time fee. So after you will have an account, then you can start publishing your app. You need to make the listing. You need to add the description for your app. You need to choose it's free or paid. You need to enter other details too. Is it restricted or it's available in all of the regions? And finally, you need to upload the AAB file. When you upload it, you need to submit it for their review and you need to wait from 48 hours to 7 days. Usually this takes a few days. The Google developer team will review your app and if it meets the Google Play Store requirements, they will publish it. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.